Hello, I'm Roger Groh at Groh Asset Management. Today we're here to talk about bonds and what it takes to make money in the bond market. Well, there are two components. One is, are you really going to get paid back? That, from a safety point of view, is number one. Number two, bonds do well when interest rates are coming down, but bonds fall in price when interest rates are going up. With interest rates today at zero, there's nowhere to go but up for most bond yields. As a result, if you are going to be in the bond market, we suggest that you own shorter term bonds where you can hold them till they mature. How long is that? 3 months, 6 months, a year? I don't know. It's up to you. But the point is, own short. If you own a 30-year bond, you could find the value declining significantly as interest rates begin to go back up, perhaps in 2010 or 2011, as the U.S. economy improves. But there may be one other way to do it. Suppose that you really believe that interest rates were going to go up. And with rates at zero, it seems like that is the only way that it can go. Well, you could go short the bond market. You could start to bet that interest rates were going to move up. And in fact, you could make money if the value of bonds went down. It sounds weird, but that's the way you do it. Be very careful, though. If you're wrong, then you'll lose money. So there are two ways: own short-term bonds or go short the bond market. In either case, you have to be very sophisticated now in playing in the bond market. Only own the highest quality bonds that you can find. And be very careful. Think short in terms of maturity. I'm Roger Groh, and thank you very much for spending some time with me.